Yes, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, we are here with you today at Sunsplash. Yeah? Tell me where you're from and what bring you here at Sunsplash.
Yeah, brother. Nice to talk to you. I'm from Gambia, West Africa, also known as the Smiling Coast of Africa.
Yes.
So today I'm here for the very first time to join people and celebrate life with the Reggae Sunflowers Festival. It's been a pleasure to be here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And which artist is your favorite artist you come to see today?
I mean, all of them are my favorite artists.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That means that you're authentic, fully reggae.
Musically, yeah.
Yes. All right. And tell me, we see that we have a lot of lineup, likes of Capritan,
Yeah.
likes of DJ. It's
Yeah.
a mixture.
Yeah.
And also, we
Yeah.
got a Morgan Heritage.
Yeah.
So, what you think today? It's going to be a very amazing evening with so much big artists on the same stage.
Definitely. It's gonna be a real energy, I can say, because some of these artists they already attend their show back home in Gambia. One Heritage, he was there, Capleton was there, and all of them, a lot of artists already came to perform there. So seeing them again in a different place make me feel amazing, and I hope for everyone that come around will have a wonderful time.
Yeah. And how much time you have been to Sunsplash?
For the very first time.
This is the very first time.
The very first time.
Okay, brother. And I hope you enjoy this for the very first time. And you will always come back at Sunsplash.
Looking forward to it.
Okay. All right, then I want to give one shout out to Treaty Record Radio.
What's the name?
Treaty Record Radio.
Treaty Record Radio.
Yeah.
Every one of them in the whole world. If you come across this video, go straight and subscribe on our social media on this radio. You get updated musically, and then you get to see and connect with the people from different culture in different ways. So big up yourself if you're watching this.
Big up yourself, brother. One love.
Respect.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes, that was it.
Yeah.
With my brother from another mother. Yes. Give thanks, we are here once again, Treaty Record Radio, live on the ground at Den Haag in the Netherlands, the 2025 Sunsplash. Yes, sir.